In this specific video, we'll be talking about the LeadCreator dashboard. Pretty simple. Once you open the LeadCreator, the default area would be the create your first lead magnet, or click the green button to create your first lead magnet. But before we do that, I'll explain to you the options that are available on the top. All the way over to the left, you have the LeadCreator logo. That's not clickable, but identifiable to the fact that you're on the LeadCreator dashboard default page, and this on the left side tells you what section you are in, and at the moment you are in create. In the bottom left hand corner, it has your user information. On the top row here to the left is a quick start. When you click on the quick start, it opens up a video. It's a guide on how to navigate LeadCreator, covering topics such as creating a lead magnet, integrations, adding custom domains, managing lead magnets, and accessing training and bonuses. And the video gives you tips and recommendations. This would be quite helpful to watch this before you start using the tool. The next one is the create tab, which is the page that we are on already. Lead magnets gives a list of lead magnets that you've already created. The affiliates tab takes you to the affiliate program where you will be able to market on behalf of the lead creator and get a hefty commission for referring customers to the tool. The settings menu has the areas where you can add your own domains. You can have integration with different email tools. You can integrate Zapier, Padly to use Gil in applying webhooks to your lead magnets. Already integrated is GetResponse, Aweber, ActiveCampaign, Systeme, MailerLite, MailChimp, ConvertKick, Ontraport, SendFox, Beehive, Sendio. More integrations to come. He's constantly adding integrations to make this a really powerful and comprehensive tool. The next one down gives the billing, which is a synopsis of your subscription to the tool. Your affiliate settings, it's where you can enter your affiliate name and have a custom message associated with your affiliate links. You can integrate scripts, your own script, header and footer, body tag scripts for tracking your lead magnets. You can also style your creator to your liking. After settings, you have an analytics tab. It gives you a summary of how your lead magnets are performing, of the type of traffic and where the traffic is coming from. There's also agency, where depending on your plan, you can set up your own agency on the marketing of LeadCreator. You can also have team members to run there's extensive training on how to use LeadCreator AI, and this is constantly being updated by Mr. Philip Barrowman. And the change log, I personally check this every day because there's a constant changes that being done to the tool, and it's day by day it's growing. You can also register your own votes as to what you want to see, or the changes or modifications or additions that you would like to see. And I've found that Philip is quite responsive to this. There you have it, the LeadCreator AI dashboard overview. Go ahead and click on the link below to get access to this tool today, and I'm sure you won't regret it. I just want to reiterate the main reason why you would want to have LeadCreator as part of your list building arsenal, because inherently most marketers struggle to convert their website visitors into leads. You're not alone in this plight. Here are some of the ways that you can quickly get your online marketing email list building campaigns up and running with effective responses. One way that this can be done is to offer ebook guides, offer comprehensive, valuable content that addresses your audience pain points, and making sure that the subject matter is well researched and is something very simple to apply and actionable. If you also provide to your prospective reader checklists and cheat sheets, provide a quick and easy digest of resources to help your audience solve specific problems or complete a task effectively. Webinars and online workshops is also another way to host live recorded sessions that offer in-depth insights and direct interaction with your audience. This builds trust and positions you as an expert. You can have free trials and samples to allow potential customers to experience your product or service firsthand. This reduces the perceived risk and increases the likelihood of a conversion. You can do quizzes and assessments to engage your audience with interactive content that provides personalized results. This not only captures their interest, but also collects valuable data. Discount and coupons offer immediate value with a financial incentive. This is particularly effective for e-commerce businesses. Templates and swipe files. LeadCreator has an extensive array of templates that you can share with your prospects. You can provide ready-to-use resources that saves them time and effort. These are especially popular in individuals like marketing and design. Case studies and success stories showcase real-life examples of how your product or service has helped others. This builds credibility and trust. Resource libraries. Curate a collection of valuable resources such as articles, videos, and tools that your audience can access in one place. Exclusive content. You can offer premium content that is not available elsewhere. This could be in the form of members only area or a special report. Why do these lead magnets work? Implementing these lead magnet ideas can significantly boost your conversion rates. They provide immediate value, build trust, and position you as an authority in your field. By offering something of genuine worth, you make it easier for potential customers to take the next step in their journey with you. Start experimenting with these proven lead magnets today and watch your conversions soar. Remember, the key is to understand your audience needs and deliver content that addresses those needs effectively. So again, go ahead, click on the link below, take LeadCreator AI for a spin today and see how this can effectively supercharge your marketing efforts.